Heat treatment technologies are a key to today's manufacturing and support our affluent and happy life. As an industrial furnace manufacturer and an expert in commercial heat treatment, Dowa Thermotec responds to customers' needs, which are getting more diversified and sophisticated every year. We not only develop and build top-quality industrial furnaces, but give full support services as well, including after-sale maintenance. In tandem with our heat treatment business, we provide total support to customers' heat treatment process, ensuring your satisfaction with quality and a sense of security. With the increase in demand from Japan and overseas, the Dowa Thermotec Group expanded its business into the USA by creating Dowa THT America in 1997. Ever since, it has continued expanding its network in Thailand, China, India, and Indonesia to build industrial furnaces, support introduction and startup, provide maintenance services, and perform commercial heat treatment. To deliver the same quality of industrial furnaces and support services as in Japan to customers around the world, we will continue expanding our overseas bases. In 2011, we acquired the management rights of HIGHTEMP Furnaces, the largest heat treatment furnace manufacturer and operator in India. HIGHTEMP has delivered more than 300 industrial furnaces in India. It can also heat treat more than 1,100 tons a month. With the industrial furnace business and the heat treatment business, the company provides Japanese quality support. In 2010, the Dowa Thermotec Group established a joint venture in Jiangsu Province, China, with a Taiwanese industrial furnace manufacturer. The venture features an all-in-one system that covers everything locally from parts procurement to processing to assembly, which enables it to achieve high quality, low cost, and shorter delivery time. While strongly backing up Japanese manufacturers' production in China, the company also explores the potential of the Chinese market. As a pioneering industrial furnace manufacturer, Dowa Thermotec has sold more than 3,500 furnaces in the Japanese market. In particular, in the sales of carburizing heat treatment plants, we have a high share in the Japanese market. We try to meet all customers' needs, working on the whole range of heat treatment processes, building everything from industrial furnaces to peripheral equipment. Now, let us show you an example of the heat treatment plant we propose. To improve the quality of heat treatment processing, anti-corrosive and working oil on the surface of the parts to be processed are removed. Metal parts for automobiles and machines are carburized at high temperature to enhance their durability. Oil is removed from the part surface after quenching the heat-treated parts. To improve the toughness, the parts hardened by quenching are tempered. Now let us show you some of our industrial furnaces we have developed with our proven technologies and original ideas to meet today's diversifying needs. The TKM series is a heat treatment furnace with excellent performance in uniform heating, carburizing, and cooling that also considers quality control and maintenance. It's widely used in the heat treatment field in Japan and overseas. The Super TKM series furnace is a slim and compact continuous furnace designed to save space and significantly improve productivity as compared to the TKM series. As for continuous furnaces suited to mass production, we have a variety of products including hybrid types and roller hearth types. They may be customized to meet customer needs. For us, the real relationship with the customer begins after they purchase our product. We attach the same importance to after-sales services as we do to the development and manufacturing of the products. We provide comprehensive support to customers, ranging from regular maintenance to emergency response, to trouble and to consultation on additional installation. Further, we have opened training centers successfully in Asian countries to offer local staff training programs on the basics of heat treatment, including the operation and maintenance of furnaces. Also, we work hard to enhance the quality of human resources. Heat treatment technologies give a new life to metallic materials, but they are constantly required to get better and better. We find it our business tasks to continue research and development of element technologies, applied technologies, and so on, to reduce heat treatment process costs and reduce environmental burden. In 2012, we opened an R&D center with the latest equipment, such as valuation analysis devices, analyzers, and measuring instruments. Located next to our Nagoya head office, the center serves as an open laboratory for joint projects with customers to develop next-generation industrial furnaces and heat treatment processing technologies. We quickly respond to technical troubles customers suffer unexpectedly, such as sudden deterioration or destabilization of quality. We don't just inspect and verify the equipment, but determine the cause of the problem and solve it too. In Japan and overseas, Dowa Thermotec will continue to support customers' stable production as their best partner in the field of heat treatment.